The first chapter that we are going to look at is designing performant applications and APIs. These are just considerations. We are not going to take a complete deep dive into those aspects. I just wanted to run through those aspects because we are not, this course is not for designing a performant applications as such. This is required as a foundation, and that is where we are going to look at it. If you look at the syllabus, it is going to talk about infrastructure as a service, container as a service, platform as a service, and auto scaling implications, portability versus platform specific design, evaluating different services and technologies, operating system versions and base runtime of services, geographic distribution of Google Cloud services, microservices, defining key structure for high rate applications using cloud storage, Cloud Bigtable, Cloud Spanner, and Cloud SQL. Session management, deploying, securing an API with cloud endpoints, loosely coupled applications with asynchronous cloud pub sub event. Health check, and Google recommended practices and documentation. I'm just going to point you to the documentation and the practices. We are going to have another section in which we will get into details of those. This is, you can think of, we are not taking or complete deep dive into individual items, but we are going to understand what are those concepts all about. You probably want to go ahead and check what are those in detail if you want to. As an example, microservices, right? Microservices has got a multiple aspect in it to understand the concept itself. As because this course is not how you design applications for microservices, but to design application for cloud environment, and microservices is one of the aspect. We are going to just touch upon all those points and not going to get into details of it. Okay. So let's start with infrastructure as a service, container as a service, or platform as a service. If you look at those services which are available, and probably many of us already know what are those services, but if you look at infrastructure as a service, it is more importantly do it on your own, right? And that's where you are dependent on